Making a Discord bot. First, I had to make an application on Discord and then a bot account under the bots tab. The profile picture is this monkey emoji from Discord. Then, to invite the bot to a server, we gotta go to the authorization tab, click on bot under scopes, click on the perms that we want, and then copy the link here to invite the monkey bot to our server. Here's the script that I'm writing. The token for the bot account is in a file called config.py because it's supposed to be a secret. And I'm just copying some basic code that I found online using the Discord package from pip. Here I was trying to do some splicing stuff, but it ended up being stupid, so don't try to do this. I changed my code to Z when the messages are equal to !monkey and the bot works as it should. Here I was trying to get the bot to respond to any message that has the word monkey in it, but I did it wrong the first time because I'm so used to using Java. I tried the first time and realized that I don't actually know how to see if a string contains another string in Python. It turns out that the in keyword is something that exists, so I'm going to use it to make my code more Pythonic or whatever the elitists talk about. And would you look at that, it works. There we go, now I can fuck around with people by saying monkey in servers. Let's go.